I live in a world where I learn dreams don't come true, and that no matter how good you are, you won't achieve everything you imagined. That's the problem. I don't know where I belong, Jane, and I never did. I believe everything happens for a reason. Hi, I'm Macy Adams, and I'll be singing for my audition. Oh, cry me a river, will you? You're dramatic, and it's annoying. I think it's pretty funny. Actually, I'm laughing my ass off. Did she just say she doesn't know what her talent is? Well, what building do you think you stepped into? Macy, you need to calm down. You're causing global warming. Whoa, 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 whoa. Baby caught in a bad romance.